In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the board ID in Monday.com. If you're new to Monday.com or just looking to fine-tune your project management skills, knowing how to quickly identify your board ID can be incredibly useful, especially for integrations or troubleshooting. So, let's dive right in and walk through this simple two-step process. To start, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to Monday.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Ensure you're on the main dashboard interface to access your boards. Monday.com is a versatile platform, and being familiar with the layout is key. Once you're in, you'll notice that all your workspaces, boards, and tasks are organized in a user-friendly manner, which helps keep everything streamlined and efficient. Next, you need to select the board for which you want to find the ID. As you browse through your list of boards, remember that these could be organized based on your projects, tasks, or teams. Once you have pinpointed the desired board, click on it to open the board's detailed view. This is where all your unique tasks and widgets for this specific board reside. Now, here is where the trick lies. Direct your attention to the address bar of your web browser. The URL you see is specific to the board that you're currently viewing. This URL holds the key to finding your board ID. Hover your mouse over the URL and look towards the end of it. There, in the last part of the URL, you'll find a number. That number is your board ID. It's important to note this number if you're planning on using any API integrations or if you need it for specific configurations. For those of you integrating applications, this board ID can be a crucial part of your setup. Also, having the board ID at hand can ease collaboration, especially when directing team members or support staff to a specific part of your workspace. And that's how you easily find your board ID in Monday.com. Taking the time to familiarize yourself with these kinds of details can truly enhance your overall experience with the platform, making your workflow more efficient. Whether you're an individual user or part of a larger team, little tips like these can save you time and effort, ultimately making your work on Monday.com a smoother process. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore more of our how-to videos. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing with Monday.com.